Hello everyone, Fabio Santos with another Capoeira tutorial for you. Let me show exactly what we're going to be doing. Nice everyone, let me break down the move for you. So I'm going to start on the jingle position and I'm going to go to my left. So I'm going to start the beginning of a meio de compasso. So I just want to make sure my feet when I'm spinning is in the same line here. So I'm stepping the same line. I'm going and place my leg close on the same line. If I step my leg wide, it's going to be hard for me to keep my balance. So keep the legs close. So I step here, close, and I want you to just rotate. Keep the weight on this side and step the leg. For now, I have the balance and I'm on the position to do my AU. The reason I don't want you to stand up, because that's going to bring the weight into this leg and then it's going to be hard for you to make the whole sequence flow. So I'm going to keep my weight over my leg. So I'm pretty much falling towards the floor, linking the move completely into the AU. Place the hand normally, and then from here I can just start my AU and build it up from there. So from there, if I'm gonna go a little bit more without stopping, so I spin. Now instead of placing the leg on the floor, I'm gonna continue with the leg, place the hand down first, normal AU. Okay, the second leg, I'm gonna bring back on myself and I'm gonna carry on rotating the same way. It's important for me to get close to my hip. So once I do the turn, I can do everything on my toes. So it's easy for me to turn, spot the front and do the full circle with my leg. Get the feet on the floor first before I set myself up to stand up. Here, rotate. I can do a kick from here. I can go back to the jinga, however I want to do after. Okay? So once more without stopping, I'm going to step the kick. One, rotate, open, step, come back here, rotate, bring the leg in, push myself close, come back, and then stand up. Then I'm ready to do the jinga. Nice everyone, I hope that makes sense. If you'd like to learn more tutorials like this, I'm gonna leave the link on the description. All you have to do, join me on School Flow, and I have got much more tutorials and support there, not just from me, but the whole community to help you to improve your capoeira. I see you soon.